Yes, so this is our solar borehole installation going on in Asaba. As you can see, this is the panels, 250 watts times 10. We are going to power this pump. This is it. This is solar pump. As you can see it, solar pump. So this is 1500 watts, 110 volts. As you can see. So this is the base. So we are going to install it. Yeah, we are doing the installation now. Going on.
Jakarta, big man, big problem. Legwe gonna to a jumbo. Dalia Jakarta, Aro. Mona Gulu Vigu. Do much follow Mona Boy. Ogle gonna one naga. Do more day. One is see Puku. Dalia Jakarta. We're going to a mosu. My mama tell me, say, Puli budget to
See, this is the water. It's working. Very sharp. Not by solar. Yeah. As you can see, these are our solar sumo working. That is it. You can see it. Water is rushing out. Yes. Show here. So this is the panel. You can see it. Okay. Yeah, go with camera. See. This is a DC, AC, manual pump. As you can see, this is 1500 we are using. So in progress, as you can see.